Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko. This is their part number 349731. This is a right-hand replacement bottom boot only for the Pemko 3497 Astragal. The boot is the item that inserts into the bottom of the Astragal so that when the active door is closed, this boot makes contact with your sill. Not an uncommon item to replace. You do sell them occasionally. An Astragal that would be 10, maybe 20 years old, yeah, this material is going to fatigue, certainly with time, and very likely require replacement. This is a right hand, which means the Astragal is applied to the right hand door. So you might be, it might be beneficial to declare both the swing of the doors. You might say left hand active, right hand. That might help understand that the Astragal is applied to the right hand door, so we're going to order the right hand boot. There's a cross section, pardon me, there's a link down below to the cut sheet that has a cross section of the 3497. What we're seeing there is a right hand active, left hand Astragal, and this boot would be for the opposite door swing of what is shown there. Okay, for the opposite. Some basic dimensional properties, let's go over it. Overall depth of the unit looks like it's about 2 11/16. Overall width up at the top about 1 7/16 inches. Width down here at the body about 5/8. Projection of the first post about 1 3/8. The one that would face the interior would be about 1 3/8 as well. Width down here about 5/8. That's a weep hole that's there. Any water that were to collect, which, you know, really be a very minor amount that would get in there, but nonetheless, that weep hole is there by design. And you can see from the sloped arrangement, so that when the door is opening, it has that sort of curvature to it. Then full contact back here. Like I said, not an uncommon item to sell, although not common either. They do fatigue, they do fall out, they no longer are effective, they don't contact, it's not as if they shrink, but they don't make contact to the sill as they did when they were new, that's to be certain. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Pemko, this is their part number 349731, right-hand replacement bottom boot for the 3497 Astragal, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.